Sanmak, new and stylish sanitary napkin vending machine. Machine looks beautiful with elegant designed curved edges. Now we can see operating procedure of the machine. Before inserting coin, check napkin availability through transparent glasses. Insert any type of 5 rupee coin in coin acceptor. Rotate the knob for 360 degree. Collect napkin from collector window. You can do the same operating procedure for second row also. Without inserting any type of coin, it is not possible to rotate the knob.